Let's go.
Avalanche is coming. Yeah, I don't even hear a sound. I'ma keep on running. I'm never gonna come back down. 'Cause if we never stop, tell me how they gonna get to us. Yeah, we can climb the rocks, see the bottom through a cloud of dust. Take me to the top, I wanna live up on the mountain. Take me to the top, no, I won't stop. So take me to
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today it's not gonna be a crazy ass video. Today we're just gonna change the oil on both cars, so nothing too crazy. We're just gonna teach y'all, if y'all don't know the difference between a V6 and a V8 oil changing. We like to change our oils every time it's needed. Since it's already hit the miles, we're gonna change them on both cars. Sorry if the cars are both dirty. It's been raining outside lately for a whole past week, right?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna start with mine since his has already warmed up. We're gonna let it cool down, so we're gonna start with mine. We're gonna start with the V6 platform, and we're gonna teach you or show you guys the difference between changing the V6 and the V8 oil. It's just only one thing that is different, which is the oil filter, right?
Oil filter.
Other than that, everything's pretty much the same. This one holds 7 quarts, mine holds 6 quarts. So let's jump into it. Woo! We go up and away. Put your cars in a ramp or jack it up, but we have ramps. I do highly recommend you guys buy these ramps. They're the best. They're called race ramps. Also, if you're using ramps, don't forget to put your chalk. Please pop up the hood. Put this shit under. Fuck you, bitch. First off, we gotta locate our oil pan, which is this one. It's right here, 13 millimeter. So I'm gonna put this right here, so if it starts coming out, it's gonna fly over there. Woo! This shit is tight. So after some technical difficulties, we got it off. You just loosen it off. And there we go. I'm gonna leave this shit right here. Right now we're gonna clean it. I'm gonna open up here. Let me get some towels. Oh, you do remember. And here's the difference between the V8 and the V6. The filter is up here. And this is the V6 filter. And oh shit, I forgot about the spotter. Spotter, we spilled some.
Yeah?
We spilled some, spotter.
What do you mean?
We spilled some oil
Oh shit, where?
under the container. I removed it. No problemo. And while I'm here, I'm gonna do something else that I just remembered. We're gonna get the, where's the
oil catch can?
Yeah, the oil catch can. It was a 14. I have an oil catch can, so oh, because I grabbed the wrong one, that's why. Dummy, I grabbed the 11. If you have an oil catch can, remember to change it. Throw this shit away.
Not change it.
Yeah, not change it, emptied it out, yeah.
Imagine you're getting a new one every time you do an oil change.
Fuck yeah! By the time we're gonna have a
broke as fuck.
I'm gonna be broke as fuck. Let me see, you tried? Let me check on the other side. I think we're done. Thank you, sir. You see? This is bad oil. This is bad oil. Very, very bad oil. Let's stay in your lines. That's why you need an oil catch can. Beep. For this one, I have to take out the old ring for the filter. That's what I'm trying to do right now. This is unprofessional, guys. Don't do what I'm doing. I just don't give a f. And I'm still having a hard time. There we go. I got it. I got it. I got it. This goes in the trash. I'm just clean it off. And I'm just gonna hand tighten it like that. I might use the original Pentastar. But anyways, get the right oil. If you don't know what type of oil you need, it says right on top of the cap. Mine is 5W20. That's the one I got. I got 6 quarts. That's the recommended, or I mean not the recommended, the requirement for mine. This is the oil filter. And here's the O-ring, the new O-ring. So what I like to do on my car, since he doesn't have this type of filter, I like to put a little bit of oil on the new O-ring and put the new O-ring on the new filter. Put it on. Do not over torque. It's just like a regular filter, just hand tighten it. That's good. And now we just pour the oil in. Thank you, senors. I just put it in the 1 quart. Now we're putting it on the 5. This is gonna be fun. Thank you for being the volunteer of holding it. You see this shit? This shit is not even fucking.
It's water.
Yeah, basically water. Dude, I had to shake it first. I'm kidding.
You should heat it up, way.
Oh shit. Oh, this is my first time using this brand, to be honest. Even then, this is the brand that's recommended for this car, but this is the first time I'm using it. I'm not gonna name the other brand because I know a lot of people started hating or say, oh, you're putting the wrong oil. I don't give a fuck. It's my car. But yeah, this is the first time I'm using this oil. Oh yeah, Reese's car, the V8, it's high mileage now, guys. So, but don't worry, it's still a strong ass motor. It's not old. Well, it's old, but it's, yeah. How we say in Spanish? Todavía aguanta putazo. It's done, sir.
Drop, bitch, drop.
And we just close this shit. And last step, we just tighten up. There we go. And we're all set. So to restart your oil light, just run it, don't turn it on. Go to vehicle info, go all the way to the right until you hit oil life, then hold OK to reset it. And it's reset 100%. And what I like to do to keep track of the miles, I go to the trip. It's already 3K. I like to reset it all so I can know. And you're basically done. And you can start up your car, let it run for a little bit, and that'll be it. Turn it on, let it run, check for any leaks. Everything's good. Let it run for a little bit, and then we're getting off the ramps. I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit longer, and that's about it. Next up, V8. So before Reese gets under and takes out the bolt, his is right here. Mine was pointing that way, his is pointing that way. But this is the one he's gonna take off right now. And you see, there's no filter here, because you know why? The filter's right under here like any other V8 and not a V6 like mine. It's right here, this one right here. This is the oil filter for the V8. I'm gonna switch to this GoPro. Keep an eye on me, guys.
Yeah, I already took it off.
Fucking there. Why the fuck are you touching it?
So it doesn't fucking go all over the place.
Oh.
Like it went allá atrás. Right there, I think.
You think? Yeah. And that's a filter, guys. Is that metal shavings? No, imagine.
Actually?
Oh yeah, his plug is magnetic.
Don't have any. Nice. This is why you don't get V8s, guys.
Whoa, yeah, I got dirty on mine too. So
Yeah, but look at my arm.
true.
Woo.
Ooh. Now you guys know the difference between a V8 and V6 oil change.
Yeah, you make a mess with a V8 every time.
And you just make a little mess with the V6. So lately I've been MIA for a reason. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, go follow it. I'm gonna explain on my Instagram what happened to my little carrito. I'm gonna put the link up in the description so you guys can follow me on Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna explain what happened to my car. His car has been running perfectly ever since he got it, but mine, I have my little troubles with it, but it's nothing major. All I'm gonna say is that if you have warranty, fucking use your fucking warranty before get it.
If they offer it.
Yeah, get it. That's all I'm gonna say, because I'm gonna explain the rest of the story in Instagram. Other than that, let's get back to the video. He's gonna put back the oil plug. Here we go. But I can't wait for this bitch to have twin turbos later on in the future. Little spoiler alert. Even though it's a long ways from here, but this bitch is gonna be twin turbo. No matter what, we're gonna try to make this bitch a twin turbo. I would say what's gonna be the next mod, but it's not my car, it's his car, but oh well.
It's gonna be on your channel.
Yeah, true. It's either a new cold air intake or headers. Long tube headers. So keep in mind, it might take a while to do this, but just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. It's gonna be fucking wild.
Don't over torque.
Easy.
This one you want to do it by hand.
Ta-da!
Done.
Now to just fill up the oil, and we're done. Ta-da!
But this one you don't need to hold it.
Yeah, I know. Well, just a little bit, but I can do it. Cleaner pistons, protects horsepower, better fuel economy. Yeah, that is true. You don't get good money.
Either way, like I don't get it.
That is fucking true. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Every drop counts. Ta-da! That's the difference between a V8 and a V6. Right now he's just gonna reset his oil life and his trip, just like me. And that's how you basically change the oil on both cars. So anyways, I'll catch you guys later on the next one. And anything you have to say, sir?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah. Well, see you guys in the next one. Peace.